Come with me to Willy Wonka Chocolate Factory in the airport. This is a Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory in Bush Intercontinental Airport. Stay tuned. Again, don't forget to like, share the Willy Wonka Chocolate Factory in the airport. These are chocolate covered candy apples. They come in all types. Look at that, Willy Wonka in the airport. Comment below which one would you want. Yum, yum, yum. This is in Bush Intercontinental Airport.
You could just go around me.
Yum, 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 yum. They do have other chocolates other than the candy apples. Again, this is the Rocky Mountain Chocolate Factory in Bush Intercontinental Airport. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Comment below what would be your favorite one.
Do we need to? Do we need to?
Don't forget to like, share, comment, watch the next video.